If you've been dreaming of that true Arizona lifestyle, where mountain views, sunsets, and friendly neighbors come together, Stetson Valley is just the place for you. This home sits perfectly on a private corner lot in an exclusive single-level neighborhood. Inside, you'll find a beautiful, maintained space that combines timeless design and modern upgrades, from plantation shutters to rich hardwood floors. And this is the heart of the home, the kitchen and the family room, where everyone gathers naturally. You'll love the gourmet layout, granite countertops, staggered cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a center island that opens to the family room with a cozy gas fireplace. The oversized owner suite feels like a private retreat with a bay window, raised dual vanities, garden tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet you'll love. With 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath, there's plenty of space for the family and guests. Let's be honest, this backyard is a showstopper, and if you're ready to experience the best of Arizona living, with mountain views, community charm, and a home that's truly move-in ready, this is definitely the one to see. A sparkling pebble-tech pool surrounded by mature trees, low-maintenance turf, and desert landscaping, all perfectly positioned for those amazing Arizona sunsets and mountain views. It's peaceful, private, and ideal for entertaining year-round. What truly makes this home special is the Stetson lifestyle. Here, you're just steps away from Dean Hills Park with walking trails, dog parks, sports courts, and a wide open green space. It's a place where kids play, neighbors connect, and weekends feel a little more relaxed. For more information about this property or others in Stetson Valley, reach out to us or follow us at Palmer Team AZ. Ciao for now.